Okay, there it is right there. I'm actually in a really convenient spot. I'm gonna go up on the bridge and film it from there. There that sumbitch is, right there in the dead center. Trying to sneak up on it. There it is, I'm approaching. Okay, it's walking away. So I'm not going to approach it because if it's walking away, maybe I'm disturbing it. Although it had been going up the river the whole time. Like, I'm not close. It's just eating shit. I'm not scaring it. It doesn't even notice I'm here. It's just standing there. I'm not disturbing it. It's looking for food. I'm walking on a path, like if I wanted to go somewhere and the bird happened to be on the side of the road. It's looking for fish. Way over there. Okay, there it fucking is. Yada yada yada, the giant bird of bird-ness. Woohoo! Okay, we're done with this thing. I feel like if I get closer, it walks away. So I don't want to disturb it. So it looks pretty chill right now. No, it's just walking up the river. I think it's looking for fish or something. Whatever the hell it eats. I don't know. Anyway, there it is. Yet another blue heron. The great blue heron. Yeah. Sure as hell ain't gonna do anything cool. Oh, wait, it's gonna fight. The great blue heron, in its natural environment, it begins to stalk the river. The other little birds come to prey upon the perch. The great blue heron becomes to stalk the bird, to throw it from its territory, owning the entire river, stomping on its prey. Its victims will be murdered senseless by its humongous beaks. The devastating heron itself begins to strike. As it crosses the river, it spreads its wings like Moses, and the water spreads apart. And now, then yeah, okay, there it is. Kind of cool. All right, you guys have fun.